Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix something unusual has happened while trying to access a file needed for the update on Valorant. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and close the Riot client entirely, okay? Close it. Now go ahead and go to your taskbar, right-click on it. Just wait for it. It will pop up. Right-click, exit. Also Vanguard if it's on your taskbar. Now, once that's done, go ahead and find in your search bar, services. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and find the process called VGC. Scroll all the way down. Right here, we have VGC. So double click on it. Now go ahead and find the startup type. Make sure that is set to automatic. Now hit on apply. Move your mouse and then just tap on or click on start. And just wait for the process to finish. All right, and then after that, go ahead and click on OK right here. Close. Now go ahead and open up your Riot client. Go ahead over to any game. It could be Valorant or League of Legends, and just make sure that you update it. Okay. Click on update, and once done, hit on play. If that still won't work, just restart your computer. Okay. Restart, and after that, go ahead and play the game, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Valorant if it got the error message. Something unusual has happened while trying to access a file. Right? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.